Have you ever been sucked into a black hole? Just as a black hole in space is a place where space-time becomes so warped it twists in on itself, a black hole opens up for many of us when we use social media. You plan to go on Facebook for just 5 minutes while enjoying your morning coffee, but the next thing you know, it's lunchtime. It can be a time suck taking you away from those important things both professionally and personally. It can also tarnish people's impressions of you. And that's why in this week's Fearless in 5, we'll focus on 5 steps to take to make social media work for you, both at work and in life. For tip number 1, let's talk time. Before you open up whichever app takes the most of your time, open up your phone and set a timer for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever feels right. And that way you'll have something to help stop you before you get sucked in for hours. Secondly, give yourself a timeout. Anytime you want to post something that could potentially spark a debate, stop yourself. Again, set a timer for a few minutes and then revisit it before you hit post. For step number 3, avoid being too aggressive or point-counterpoint. Most of the time, it just makes you look insecure instead of confident and knowledgeable. Fourthly, think about what is your leadership brand. What you are posting on social media should reflect that. So if you want to be known as a warm, caring, compassionate leader, your post should reflect that. Finally, if you do want to post something that's either a little risque or a little self-congratulatory, go for it, but just do it for your inner circle. Create that post so it's only going to your closest confidants. Any tips you can share about how to be successful in social media? Please do so in the comments below. And to learn more about how you can be fearless at work and in life, check out Wet Cement at wet-cement.com.